Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can promote your Telegram channel. So I'm gonna be teaching you a basic steps regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, just go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be over here in this particular platform. So now just go to your channel. So this is my channel, let's say, and now just go to these three dots and now go to boost channel. Once you are over here, what you need to do is you need to copy your link and then spread it out to your friends and families. And even what you can do is you can go to the share option, and now you can share it to your Messenger, you can share it to your Viber, you can share it to your Instagram, and many more from here as well. You can even share it to your newsfeed on your Facebook as well. So that's how you can promote your Telegram channel. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.